A quiz maker plugin allows you to change default values with just one click, so you avoid repeating the same steps every time and you save your time. Let's see how it works. We can change every tab's default values easily, but now let's do changes in the Styles tab. As you can see, the default animation effect is shake, so I change it and choose the fade effect. Now about the quiz color. I change green to blue. The quiz width is 400, but I change it to 350. And the quiz title font size, which is 21, I change it to 30. So if everything is ready, let's scroll down and click on the Save as Default tab. That's all. Now let's check together. Head to the Quizzes submenu and click on the Add New button. Now go to the Styles tab. As you can see, the changes are saved. Save your time, change the default values, and create unlimited, remarkable quizzes with the Quiz Maker plugin swiftly.